the messages remain within the sacred codes and reveal themselves only to those who know how to listen.
Le tambour a brisé le silence. The circle is breathing.
What you believe is lost is not lost. Keep the circle without shadow. Then the breath will return.
Mani Mubanda says it, because within the circle, time is different. There must be no shadow when the breath awakens. For then, the power rises.
Cet appel traverse le silence.
But the heirs have forgotten. They gave in to division, to temptation, and the circle was broken. In the Congo, power is not a throne, not a crown. It is a memory. A lineage, a living inheritance tied to looking. So listen and keep the circle without shadow.